I want to show you guys something from last night's live stream. I have a video clip from last night. Every Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, I go over my outlook for the week, what I think the market's going to do, what stocks am I targeting, am I going to be long, am I going to be short, and we go over very specific game plans on how I plan on making money so you know exactly where to focus your attention. Let's go ahead and play a video clip from last night's live stream from the YouTube channel. Let's play that clip. If we open below 410, I will start to look for a bounce off the open, right? Stall out, reject it, stall out, reject it. All right? Stall out and reject it. My stop loss would be then that 411.50. So remember what I just said to you guys about the other possibility if we were to pull back to 410, if we gapped above it and then continued higher, watch for resistance at 411.50. So in this scenario, if we gap under 410, I would look for us to stall out at 410, and then I'll be short relative weakness. Like, what's a stock that was relatively weak on Friday? Amazon. Amazon was extremely weak on Friday. The stock was down like 8% on the day. We caught a monster short. If you guys caught my live stream on Friday, you'll know that I was live trading with you guys on Friday. You know that we were short Amazon early in the morning, 108.18. Members jumped in the February 10th 107 strike put, caught a over 100% gain on those put options. The options went from like $2.30 all the way to over $5 a contract. It was an absolute monster, relatively weak on Friday. I'll just pull it up. So on Friday, I don't have to recap this, but we got short right here at 108.18 was my entry, right? And then we got flat right into the close. Okay, we literally got flat right into the close. We basically caught the entire move. We got short right there at 108.18. We got flat right down there at 103. So, I mean, that's basically top to bottom. We caught the whole move. It was relatively weak. This thing never attempted to go green. It finished the day down 9%. We never attempted to go green. So I would like to short Amazon again tomorrow if we are underneath 410 on the SPY. And if Amazon is still relatively weak like it was on Friday, I will short Amazon. So there you guys have it. Yes, I have the same hoodie on. Okay. Yes, I have the same hoodie on. So that is the live stream from last night where we were telling you guys if the SPY opened below that 410 area, that I was going to look to go ahead and I was going to look to be shorting Amazon. Okay. So that was going to be the game plan. That was the target, right? That was the whole premise behind this morning's trading action and this morning's trade idea. And, you know, we did exactly that today. We traded this exact game plan. I gave members the detailed plan this morning, the exact entry, the exact targets, and we killed it today. Ripped out a 50 to 60% gain on the Amazon put options for members today. So let me show you the video clip, because now every morning before the market's open, pre-market, I always go through and I show you and I give people my entire game plan, detailed analysis. What are the stocks that I'm focusing on? Where am I looking to be entering the short? Where am I looking to be entering the long? Where's my stop loss? Where are my profit targets going to be? So every morning, members into your trading group, they know exactly where to focus their attention. So not only did I give you the trading game plan yesterday, I told you, if we gapped underneath that 410 level today, I'm looking short, and Amazon was going to be my number one focus. So let's go ahead now. I want to play a quick clip for you. This is not from YouTube, my next clip. This is from inside of the True Trading Group chat room every morning pre-market before the bell, where I went over my number one trade idea of the day was short Amazon. Let's go ahead and play that clip. I'm going to be a little more patient coming into this week. I'm going to focus on relative strength and relative weakness. The top stock that's going to be on my list is the monster trade from Friday, which was the Amazon short. Congrats again, members, that were able to capitalize on triple-digit gain Friday on the back of those put options on Amazon, and the weakness is still there, right? This stock is still weak. So what I'm looking for here from Amazon is I would like to be short this thing back up around 104 to 105. I don't know. I think I might be looking for, I think 105 is a little greedy. I think if it gets back to 105, that probably means the SPY got through for 1150. So if Amazon gets back to 105, you probably are looking at a red to green move in the overall market. And if you get a red to green move, I don't necessarily think I want to be short anything. So what I'm probably going to do, the way I'm probably going to approach this Amazon trade is short 103, 104, stop loss then 105. So that's what I'm going to look for. Now look at this little area around 103.50 to 104 on Friday. So you had that little pivot bottom, you broke underneath it, then it became resistance into the close. Watch for bounces off the open back into that zone for the short entry, the stop up there closer towards 105. And then you look for Amazon to roll back down. I think the stock has room to around 99.5 to the downside. So we can get short at 103. We could be looking at, $3.50, $4 move to the downside. All right. And that's what I'm going to be looking for there for Amazon. I don't expect, a 5-6 point move to the downside like we got on Friday, but we don't need a 5 or 6 point move in order for us to make some really good money on that name. So that's going to be one of the top focuses off the bell, will be that bounce into that zone for the short. And there you have it, folks. So that's the video clip from yesterday. You heard me say, look for the short back into 103, 104 off the open. That's where we're going to be taking the trade. There's the opening bell. There's the opening bell. We bounced right back up into 103, 104. We took the short right there, just above 103, 103 and a half. It was like 103.60, 103.58 for the exact fill on that entry for the short. And then Amazon just rolled it. Amazon just rolled it over, and members were able to capitalize on a 50 to 60% gain, depending on their fills. Congratulations, the TC fam, right off the pre-market game plan and watch list, right off the analysis from last night's live stream. So congratulations to everybody that just joined True Trading Group last night. We had a ton of people take advantage of open enrollment. And for those of you that did join us last night and you guys are with us in chat today for the very first time, or you were on that mobile app so you can be connected to chat, even if you're not in front of your computer screen, you started your membership off with one hell of a bang.